So here's how to add social links on Roblox profile. So for that reason, first of all, I will go with my YouTube channel, my own YouTube channel. So from here, I will go and tap on the share channel and then simply go with the copy link. And now from here, we will go to the Roblox. Simply go with the more option onto the bottom right side corner and then scroll it down and you will find out the settings option. Simply tap on the settings and now to add the social link you need to go with the account info. Now from here you need to scroll it down and from here, as you can see, the YouTube link option, so you need to paste right over here, but you need to make sure that the links will need to be refreshed like this. It will not show any SL link, so I will go with these, and then from here onto the social network visibility you need to select the everyone and then go with the save option and success. So that's how you can add social links on Roblox profile. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.